So just like the previous example, place value is important. So let's start. 30.0041. Now we have 400. 418, 90, and we add them all up. Well, you can draw these in, but you don't have to, all these imaginary zeros. If it makes it easier for you, you can draw these in, but if you recognize that zeros would go there, you don't need to. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 4, 0, 0 is 4, 0, 0, 0 is 0, 0, 0, 0 is 0. Decimal, which is extremely important to line up every single one of your decimals. 0, 8, 0 is 8. 1, 9 is 10, plus 3 is 13. Carry the 1. 15. So your final answer is 1538.0041.